Hi, I'm Melissa from the Queensberry design team. This is a tutorial giving you a quick overview of our new page designer. Our new page designer allows you to build beautiful, lovely web pages in Workspace, 100% mobile friendly, and there's no coding needed. However, you can add HTML if you're wanting. So what you're needing to know about our new page designer is our pages are now built in sections. You can style these sections using our column layouts and add widgets to these column layouts to build your web page. So for example, this is a really basic about page that I've designed for our Vista demo site. As you can see, we've got a big image here, meet the photographer, and some body text at the bottom. So for this page, I've used one section with 3 different widgets. So if we just go to the back end of Workspace, we go to the About page, we'll see what it looks like. So down here in the page designer, as you can see, we've got one section with the image widget, advanced text editor with Meet the Photographer, and the basic text editor. You can add sections by adding add section at the bottom here. You can add as many as you like, and to delete, just the delete button on the right hand side. Cool. Another thing that's really awesome with our sections is that when you're building your page, you can rearrange them by hovering over this move button, like this. And that's pretty cool. So now you want to style your section. You can either use 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, or 4 column. So how you do that is this icon here, column layouts. You give that a click and we've got the layouts here. So just have a play around, see what you like. So I might just stick with the 2 column at the moment. So now that we've designed our section, we're wanting to add some widgets to it. The next couple of weeks we're going to be releasing more tutorials covering all the widgets, so I'm not going to go too deeply in that today. We're just going to add a few images so you can get the idea. So to add a widget, you add the plus button, add widget, click on the image widget, and a pop-up will appear. So what's really cool with our image widget is you can either upload an image, just drag and drop right here. You can have access to any of your events. So we've just got a drop down there. Media uploads or image from a URL. So I'm just at the moment just going to grab an image from one of our events. And we'll do the same here. Perfect. So now we've got our section. We're going to want to preview that and see what it looks like. Awesome. So that is it there. And we'll just give it a go to see what it's going to look like on the phone. Perfect. That sums up a quick overview on our new page designer. Thanks for watching. Bye.